Hey guys, how you doing? It's Sean Doyle at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach. Another nice day here in South Florida. Just want to do a quick video walkthrough of our recently traded in 2018 40 Verve from Azimut. Right now I'm sitting on the swim patio. Just going to go through a couple nice features on this model. Here we go. Alright, we got triple 350 Mercury Verados. This boat does have joystick piloting. Also comes standard with the bow thruster as well. As you can see, they still give you a massive platform for you and your family to transition in and out of the water. Alrighty, we're standing here in the cockpit now. Really nice lounge seating for the family. Big table. You can sit about 8 to 10 people comfortably around the cockpit table. Another nice feature is wine cooler here. If you want a little bit more cockpit space, it is on a sliding track. Alrighty guys, as far as entertaining goes, the boat has plenty of fun toys and options. Ice maker on your port side with trash and sink. Canyon electric grill and refrigeration on your starboard side. Alrighty, beautifully appointed dash and helm. It has everything you need and more. Autopilot, twin 12-inch Raymarine displays, joystick. Of course, my favorite option is the skyhook, which we're actually using right now to do this video. This one has automatic trim tabs, automatic trim for your engines. Here's your standard bow thruster, and the main ingredient, the Seakeeper. Alright, we're here at the bow of the 40 Verve. Beautiful lounge. Your backrests do fold up if you want to have a little bit more of a aft-facing seating. We do have opposing seating as well, so a really great area to entertain the family. Here we are in the cabin. We have a U-shaped seating. We do have a high-low table as well if you have a couple extra guests on board. Here's the galley, refrigeration, more storage. Convention microwave and double stove-top burner, along with your Samsung LG TV. Here's the master bedroom. Plenty of headroom, plenty of storage. You got hanging lockers on both sides. Also do have nice privacy with a pocket door. Here is your day head on the Azimut 40 Verve. Really nice sink, nice wood throughout, electric flush head, and you do have a combination shower as well. Alrighty guys, thank you for having us. My name is Sean Doyle with MarineMax here in Pompano Beach. If you'd like to see this beautiful 2018 Azimut 40 Verve, please do give me a call. My cell phone is 954-579-8956. Thank you guys.